Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Dandy. I hope I make your day extra special by making you always take care. Always stay safe and peace.
Happy birthday.
Isa po kayo ni Kuya Chris.
Hi Dandy, it's me Divine BMX Artist. I hope to see you soon po.
Let's go.
Hi Tito Dandy, this is Rob. Happy birthday. Ingat palagi and see you soon.
Thank you.
Day to you.
Hello Dandy, this is Ava Mendez. Mag-ingat po kayo. Hi Dandy, I love you po.
Hi Tito Dandy, this is Ara Alonzo. Hope to see you soon po.
Hi Boss Dandy. Ako yung dati mong driver. Sorry din ako nagdadrive sa'yo kasi masaya na ko mga kaibigan ko dito sa likod. Eto sila nakapalibot sa akin.
Boss, ako ulit ito si Rex. Dati mong driver ng 8 years. Pero bakit ganon? Si Alan Pango. Isang linggo pa lang ginamit na agad yung motor kong 5, 6, 7 kaya tuloy ako nagtatampo.